Imagine walking into your doctor's office and being greeted by name. Your information already there, ready and up to date. The forms already pre-filled and completed digitally before you arrive. The care team fully pre-informed with the latest details. By the time you go home, discharge is just as seamless as check-in, whether the discharge data needed is clinical or non-clinical. Throughout the entire process, there were no repeated questions, just a smooth handoff from check-in to nurse to doctor, so every conversation started where the last one left off. When systems work together, care flows the way it should, faster, more connected, and centered around the patient. Nurses and doctors spend more time doing what they are best at, caring for people, not dealing with paperwork. While hospitals reduce costs, improve efficiency, raise automation, and create, therefore, better experiences for everyone. And this future is here. Healthcare moves towards smarter connections every day. In fact, 70% of US hospitals have the ability to integrate patient data across different systems at least some of the time. But fewer than half of hospitals do so routinely. The question is no longer why can't this information be better connected? The question is now, why hasn't it? Healthcare and many other industries run on dozens of software tools that just can't talk to each other. This is an interoperability opportunity. The data is there, but it's scattered, siloed, trapped, and locked behind heavy governance. And the fix isn't giving everyone unlimited data access, duplicating data across systems, or bolting on even more tools. Personal data is sensitive and must be protected. The real answer is less system complexity, less vendor or supplier sprawl, and smarter, more secure access to the data you already have, exactly when and where it's needed. That's where Intellistack Streamline comes in. Streamline connects to your existing systems so you can securely use the data you already have without storing or duplicating it. Streamline is rules-based, which means you can apply guardrails. It can define data that needs to be compliant, how that data can or can't be used, and who has access and when. It's not about ripping out everything. You keep the systems you've already invested in that hold the data you need, but you can finally get rid of the extra layers of software that no longer add value, while saving money and time. Streamline is also no code, so anyone can use it, without waiting on developers, depending on IT, or increasing the burden on your IT team. Clears roadblocks, removes delays, and eliminates endless workarounds. All of that makes Streamline perfect for managing data-sensitive processes across all industries. Inside your systems are millions of data points. Streamline connects to those systems, finds the data, and automatically catalogs, categorizes, and labels it for you, thanks to the power of agentic AI. And to keep it secure, that data never leaves your systems. Streamline only reads the metadata, the label on the outside, telling you what's inside, without opening the folder itself. It works through something called a data fabric, which is like a secure, lightweight bridge that lets systems talk without moving the data. And a zero data retention policy means we won't store your data, which keeps it safe and compliant. You can use multiple data sources to create data sets that last for 5 minutes or as long as you need. IT can set clear rules about who can use the data, how they can use it, and when. This means that the data can then be safely used to pre-fill and power any workflow. Think of any process that needs a workflow or any existing workflow that needs data. And Streamline can write data forward and back, so a change to a patient's name in one place is updated everywhere. Think of Streamline as having 2 layers, a data management layer and a workflow and data activation layer built with workflow capabilities from FormStack's nearly 2 decades of pioneering development work, focused on form creation, document generation, and e-signature workflows. Our future enhancements include innovations for contract and document lifecycle management, data collection, and reporting and analysis. Streamline enables better data management and fewer software vendors. And no one else is offering anything like it. With Streamline, data becomes usable without compromising security. A single platform replaces layer upon layer of disconnected tools, and experiences feel effortless and human. Now anyone in any role can build solutions and get to the data they need easily and securely. The result? Faster teams, lower costs, higher degrees of automation, better experiences for everyone involved. This kind of secure, real-time data activation simply wasn't possible before. We've gone from the early days of computers to the internet to cloud computing. And now with AI, the technology has finally caught up to the problem. The market is shifting away from narrow, disconnected tools and toward AI-native platforms that work across industries and functions. That's the world Streamline was built for.